So let's press the clean button. Hey! This guy just come right out the gate cleaning. Where are you going? Ah, he's coming after me. Okay. There you have it. The guy's ready to bite me. This should be a nice clean area by the time he's done. Almost having a little person or a pet in your house running around. Oh, there he goes, over the lumps, from room to room. As you see, my kitchen floor is a mess. I saved it so that we'll see how he does when it's just time to mop up the house. In terms of sweeping, this thing is amazing. I would definitely give it an A, and I recommend that you get one of these too. Now let's try the hard part. Let's see how it does when it comes to mopping my tough floors. Now over in that corner there's a spot. So when it gets there, I'm going to hit the spot cleaner. And once I hit spot cleaning, it goes in a circle. You see the spot right there, right? See the spot. Where I want it to go to that spot. Nope. Nope. There you go. There you go. So, spot cleaning. It's still staying in the spot. Staying right in that area. It's actually going everywhere except for that spot. Go back. In terms of mopping, it did an excellent job. If you remember my floor from before to now, it is really, really working. You use the remote to get hard spots and to stay in that area and get it until it's done. I'm really, really amazed with it. And this is just water. I didn't use any detergent. All I had to do was switch the tank from the tank that I used that was sweeping for the dust and just put in the tank for the water. It is really amazing. I would suggest that you get this particular Robo Vac to clean your floors and things like that. Left a lot of spots for it this time. Well, this was my honest review. If you look at these before and after pictures, it is amazing. Now you can get one of these by going to the link below. I decided to be an affiliate marketer for this particular product, but I only did it after I saw how well it works. So if you really want your floors clean and you want to be the one to make sure, to not have to mop and all that kind of stuff, just get this product and I guarantee you'll be very satisfied with it. This is the Ilife Robot Vacuum Cleaner. That's the Ilife Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Get it with the link below. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you at the top.